In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily delete your Telegram account. So for the first step is that you want to head over to Telegram. Once you're on Telegram, click on these three lines right over here. Once you do that, click on the settings option. Once you click on the settings option, select the privacy and security option. Once you do that, scroll down and find the delete my account option. Click right over here and then select 1 month. So your account will be deleted after a month, but what you should do now is that you should not open Telegram at all, and by doing so your account will be deleted after a month. If you want to change the duration, you can easily change it. For example, after 6 months, your account will be deleted after 6 months, but you do not have to open Telegram again. But the shortest time period is 1 month, so you can easily select 1 month and your account will be deleted after a month. But what you should do now is that you should not open Telegram at all. So that's how you can easily delete your Telegram account. So with that said, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.